Miss Grant? I just want you to know that working for you is a true honor. You are my role model, and you lead the city with such strength and grace, and underneath that prickly exterior, you have the biggest heart of anyone I know. I'm just trying to say thank you for being an amazing mentor and friend.
Okay, so that was either my eulogy or your dictated suicide note. Is there something you need to tell me?
No, I'm just taking your advice. Carpe diem.
Okay. You've made quite the impression on me, too, Kira.
Could I lock in your love? Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you.
Supergirl is everything you think she is. She's strong, she's brave, but the most remarkable thing about Supergirl is that she is the kindest person I've ever known.
So enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? Got me losing every breath. Why did you kiss me? Make my heart